Good morning, everybody, or afternoon or evening, whenever you're watching this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over families. All right, developmentally, when we learn to read, the very first thing that we do when we have a word is we sound out each letter. So we go k, a, p, cap. Then as we start to develop, we start to recognize the family. The family is the vowel on, the vowel on. Then we go k, app, cap. Then the final stage that we go through when we're trying to learn these words is we just say the whole word, cap. So developmentally, students will do this first. They'll go each sound, and they'll go k, app. And then they'll transition to those families, k, app. And then they'll start to say the whole word. Okay, and it's always left to right. And forgive me, I'm looking at this backwards, so I'm going to have my point the wrong way. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all these different families that we have. These are a majority of these are all just closed syllables, which means the vowel is going to say its short sound or its soft sound. It's never going to say its name. There are going to be a few at the end that are exceptions to the rules. There's always exceptions to the patterns. I don't know of any that are always, every single time. Okay? All right, the first one we have is app. This is the family app. Another instance for app, the family app, you can change the first sound, and we have sap, vap, rap, lap, and cap. We want your student to automatically recognize that this is app. When you see the line before it, that shows you that there's going to be letter or letters before it. So I can make this word into strap too. I can make it into several different words. Here we go. We have ag. We have ad. We have ab. An. Am. At. And ac. This is two-letter k we always use after a short vowel. So if you hear a k after a short vowel, we're always going to use a two-letter k. We have ek, again, after that short vowel. We have est. We have en. We have egg. We have et. We have ust. We have ug. We have uck. Again, short vowel. That two-letter k we use after a short vowel. These arrows designate that we want the students to read from left to right. Ut, ub, hopefully that's right, yep. Un, ud, im, like dim. Remember, we're not going to say I'm on this one. It's not a capital I. This is im, like dim. This one, is. This one, ist, ip, ig, it, in, id, ick. Another short vowel, two-letter k coming after that short vowel. Ob, ought, on, odd, awk. Again, we have that two-letter k after a short vowel. We have og. Now, these are the exceptions to the rules, okay? Anytime we see this one, A-N-G, it's always going to say ang. Hear that A is saying the A. It's not saying a. It does fit the closed syllable pattern, but it is not going to say a-ng, a-ng. It's ang, ang, ang. This one, ank. Both of these are because of the nasal N. I've talked about the nasal N in other videos. When you make the N sound, it's a sound that has to go through your nasal passages. So if I say now try to make that sound, but hold your nose. It doesn't come out like it's supposed to. So a lot of times that N will alter the vowel before it. It's because of it rolls right into the next one. So it's called a nasal. So we have ang. And we have ank, like I drank my drink. This one right here, ing. Remember we talked about this one before. This is a suffix at the end of the word. This I is not saying I. It is saying ing, ing, ing. This one, the same thing. It's not saying it's not saying the I. It's saying the ink, 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 like drink or pink. This one right here, again, if it rhymes with ost, O-S-T, most. This one is another one that says a long O. I don't know why. There are just some things I cannot explain. If you know the answer, let me know. Okay, email me. All right, that is our letter review for families. I hope you understood those, and I'm going to go through them real quick one more time without talking about them. Get it, got it good? Here we go. Ready? App. Say them with me. Ag. Ad. Ab. An. Am. At. Ac. Ec. Est. En. Egg. Et. Hold on. Screen. Ust. Ug. Uck. Ut. Ub. Un. Ud. Im. Is. Ist. Ip. Ig. It. In. Id. Ick. Ob. Ot. On. Odd. Ock. Og. Here's our ones that don't do what they're supposed to. Ang. Ank. Ing. Ink. And ost. All right. Have a great day.